Hello everyone, we at DAAC Reviews channel have prepared a comprehensive review video with everything you need to know before buying Citrulift. The first thing you need to know about Citrulift is be careful with the website you're going to buy Citrulift from, because Citrulift is only sold on the official website. To assist you, I've left the link to the official website below in the description of this video. So what is Citrulift, and does it really work? The answer is yes, Citrulift does work. And after many laboratory tests, researchers have identified a natural formula with concentrated ingredients that will bring excellent results. The longevity and resilience of plants, mentioning examples such as vines, trees, and moss that survive and thrive for centuries, thanks to the reparative stem cells in their roots, stems, and leaves. This discovery is presented as crucial as it allows the development of products like Citrulift Instant Eye Lift Serum, which uses clinically proven plant stem cells to strengthen the skin's collagen and elastin, providing instant and long-lasting eye rejuvenation, reducing under-eye bags, dark circles, crow's feet. The serum promises visible results in minutes and can be used alone or as a makeup base, providing a youthful and youthform appearance. So yes, you can trust this product. Many people have had great results with Citrulift, including numerous customer testimonials on the official website, and you can achieve results too. However, you need to bear in mind that each body will react uniquely. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test Citrulift for 60 days, and if you don't see results, or if you don't like it for any other reason, they'll refund your money. So feel safe to use Citrulift, but make sure you're buying it from the official website to ensure the benefits of the guarantee. Also, for Citrulift to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every day, or else you won't see significant results, and you'll actually get a bit frustrated. You may see initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 2 months of using this product due to its gradual effect. Also important for you to know, Citrulift has no side effects as it's natural. So I decided to record this video, firstly, to warn you to be careful with the website you're buying Citrulift from, and also, if you buy the product, to follow the exact treatment. Take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from anyone else because your body reacts in a very unique way. I really hope this video has helped you, and I also hope that Citrulift really helps to improve your life and many other benefits that this product promotes. Remember that the official website of the product can be found in the description link. And if you want to receive more content like this, subscribe to this channel and leave your like. Thank you for watching this video.